Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys this new keyboard, top 5 keyboards that are mechanical and are at a very cheap value. One of them is $54.99, but I don't know, it might be good, it might not. So coming in at number 1, we have a Red Dragon mechanical keyboard. It is only red, unfortunately, but that's alright because I don't really care about the color that much. Coming in, and it's also $32.99, so if you want to pay the extra price, it is Amazon selected or whatever, so you can have that if you want, but I don't care really what you buy. So coming in at this one I think it's a little bit on the expensive end, but it's probably a better keyboard. So it's mechanical. I don't know if it changes colors. I'm pretty sure it does though. All links will be in the description, by the way. But this one is coming in at $54.99, so it must be a very good keyboard. And this is also going by the ratings, by the way. So yeah. Here is I can't get over how good this keyboard is, because this is actually the keyboard I use for myself, and it's really good. It's like a 54 key or whatever keyboard, and it's very, very good. I can't get over how good it is. It's mechanical. It changes a ton of colors. So yeah, or it changes a ton of different modes. So yeah, if you want that, it's a very good keyboard for starting, and it's also water resistant and spill resistant. Dust resistant. I don't really think it's dust resistant because whenever I got it, but it was very like slippery whenever I first got it, the keys, but just wipe it off and it'll be not so slippery. And it also is $26.99, so it's really cheap but really good. Coming in at number 4, I believe, number 4, we got this keyboard. It lights up. Now, this keyboard is a little bit on the cheaper end, but it still is probably really good. It's a mechanical blue keyboard. I don't know if it changes any more colors. And also, it is $24.99, so it's on the cheaper end. So if you want a cheaper end keyboard, you can get this one. Coming in at the Logitech keyboard, we have this is the last keyboard, I'm pretty sure. Logitech keyboard. It is mechanical, and it has switches the keys are really wide. And it's a pretty good keyboard in my opinion. I haven't tried it out, but it looks like it would be a pretty good keyboard. And it is a little bit on the cheaper end, but a little bit, it's a middle class keyboard, and on the end of $36.99. So anyways, that's it for today's video, because I don't have any more. But anyways, hope you guys have a great day, and peace.